The Versa software has this really handy feature called the M.O.M, or the method optimization mode. This mode allows the user to optimize each parameter in the method to achieve the best possible analytical results. To enter the M.O.M feature, you must open a schedule, either one that you've made or a new one. So here we'll go New, Schedule, and I have a brand new schedule. To access the M.O.M builder, I select this button. To use the M.O.M builder, you must have a base method, so I'll just use this test method that I have. And then from this drop-down menu, you can select which parameter you wish to change. So for example, I will change the platen/sample temperature. Now I need to select my start value. So here you can see the range. So 25 degrees to 200 degrees is the range I'm allowed to go within. So I want to start at 70 degrees and I wish to go up 5 degrees every time. And I want there to be 5 different levels. So that means that I'm going to start at 70 degrees. I'm going to go up 5 degrees each time. And so my final value is 90 degrees because I'm doing that in 5 increments. Now you press which vial you're starting in, so I'll start at vial 1, and for each level I would like 2 replicates. So I start at vial 1 and I end at vial 10 because for each I have 5 increments and I'm doing everything twice. Once you're happy with that, you simply just press apply and exit, and it will add them into your schedule for you.